If you're currently considering the purchase of an off-grid or backup power inverter for your home or mobile application, and you're researching which products will best meet your needs, we have two important recommendations that can help you make a confident, well-informed decision. First, when reviewing product recommendations on YouTube, we strongly encourage you to be cautious of videos focused on unboxings, quick reviews, teardowns, or basic installation walkthroughs. The reality is that many of the claims presented in these videos are not supported by genuine engineering experience or validated testing. In most cases, the individuals presenting these products do not have formal training in solar system design, inverter manufacturing, or component-level repair. They also typically lack access to, let alone the expertise to operate, the lab-grade diagnostic and load testing equipment required to evaluate inverter performance under real-world conditions. In short, they are not engineers or technicians, and while they may come across as friendly and relatable on camera, their primary objective is not to educate or protect you. It is to promote products. These creators are often compensated through affiliate commissions, and many are willing to make broad claims or omit critical limitations in order to drive clicks through their referral links. Our second recommendation is to conduct thorough due diligence on any inverter brand or model you are considering. A simple and highly effective step is to search for documented consumer complaints. For example, enter the inverter's model name followed by the word complaints into Google's search bar. This approach allows you to quickly access a consolidated view of real-world user experiences, as Google aggregates feedback and reports from a wide range of credible sources across the internet. Reviewing this information can provide valuable insight into product reliability, performance issues, and long-term customer satisfaction before you make a purchasing decision. As we wrap up, our goal isn't just to share opinions. It's to help you make an informed, confident decision about the system you trust to power your home, your business, and your future. We genuinely hope this video has given you valuable insight into the long-term risks, limitations, and hidden costs that often come with lightweight, high-frequency, transformerless inverter designs, especially in demanding off-grid and battery backup applications. When it comes to reliability, durability, and protecting the equipment and appliances you depend on every day, design matters. A properly engineered, low-frequency, iron-core, transformer-based inverter isn't just a different option. It's a fundamentally stronger, safer, and longer-lasting foundation for your power system. Before investing in any inverter, take the time to look beyond the numerous YouTube reviews that have been sponsored or influenced by manufacturers, and carefully evaluate the quality, design, and components that are actually inside the unit. Because the right design today can save you from costly failures and frustrations tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you build a system that's built to last.